Hey guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and in today's video, like you know how we are doing things here on the Trade Labs channel, we are going to do a short and sweet recap of what happened in the gold forex trading market. And when I'm saying I'm actually surprised about what happened, I'm not kidding. So I really need to show you guys what happened in today's market because it's absolutely mind-blowing. And I've never seen something like this before. So, if you're curious, let's jump right in. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from Trade Labs, and like I mentioned in the intro, today we are looking again at a recap of the gold forex trading market and what happened in the crazy chart that I'm looking at right now, because we had some crazy move from the gold forex trading market where, let's just say, the XAUUSD itself has made a move that nobody actually expected to do. And I'm so excited to walk you guys through what happened today, the insane potential that we are used to getting on a daily basis now from the gold market, and the insanely easy gold forex trading strategy that I'm using in order to have these crazy charts and trade opportunities. So if you're curious about that, then let's jump right in and talk about these charts. Okay guys, so what you're seeing on the screen right now is a snapshot of today's gold forex trading market. Yes, you are right. This is one of the first things that I'm showing you guys in these videos on the Trade Labs channel. Why? Because I want you guys to see how easy it is to have a look at the gold forex trading market and take decisions if and only if you have the right tools in your hands. And that's where the momentum trading indicator steps in. This is the indicator that you're seeing on the screen right now, and this is something that definitely changed the way that I'm looking at the market. And you've heard me saying this like a million times before, but I'm not kidding. This is actually so easy to understand with such clear instructions and notifications, so you know when to get in and when to get out of a trade. And that's amazing. That's exactly what any kind of trader would need in any kind of market. And trust me when I say this indicator works for everything. And I mean any kind of forex market, anything. It just happens that I'm using it on the gold forex trading market because I feel like this one is just more of an interest to me. And I'm sharing you guys all the information that I get from it. So, quite useful. So, in today's market, like you mentioned, I feel like I traveled back in time for a few weeks. Why? Because as you can see on the screen, gold today has been increasing in price. So, what happened here? It might be the fact that the gold forex trading market is starting to stabilize itself. Maybe. So just a short history recap of the past 2 months. Gold has been going up, crazily up, like insane. It went over the price mark of 2000, and then it started slowly to come down. And it started slowly to come down to under 1800 as a price point. And now I can see it rose back up to the 1800s. This is just a sign, in my opinion, that the market is trying to stabilize itself, and that's where we would think maybe gold is coming back to its normal phase. So what does that mean? Well, folks, that means that we need to pay attention to what gold is doing now, because we might not see such volatile and crazy trends in the gold forex trading market once it stabilizes itself. So easy to say that you need to take advantage of this market like now, before it actually stops making these moves. Like, I'm not kidding, I have been watching this market and I have had so many opportunities to jump on huge trends in the past 2 months on the orders of thousands of potential pips on a daily basis. So just jump on this train whilst you can still do. Anyway, coming back to this insane of a trend that we are looking here right now. So this is a trend which started roughly around here, let's say 4 o'clock in the morning, like, hello, this is gold again, doing really massive moves really early in the morning. But there's a catch. This little trend, and I'm saying little trend, lasted all the way until just around here. And that happened at roughly 9:30 in the evening. If we were to look at the potential of this crazy, insane trade that we are looking at here, we would be amazed at what exactly hides. Because this trend started roughly around here at a price point of 1786 and rose all the way, guys, until this part here, which was roughly 1830 as the highest point. So what does that leave you with? Well, that leaves you with an insane amount of 44 points. And if you've been following the TradeLabs channel, then you know what comes next. In order to calculate your pips, you need to multiply the number of points that you have with 100, and there you go. You have your pips. So in our case, we have 44 points, which can transform massively into an insane, mind-blowing, never heard of before, of a potential of 4,400 pips into one trade. I think, and please correct me if I'm wrong, I will go through my previous videos, but I think this is the highest potential that we had in the past 2 months on a daily basis. This is the highest one that we've ever seen on this channel, at least, since I started to share the market stats with you. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video, a really short and sweet recap, exactly like I mentioned before, of the gold forex trading market and a crazy, insane potential of a day that we had, because we are looking at a continuous uphill trend in the gold forex trading market in the middle of a period where gold has been crashing, where your potential pips are 4,400. It just blows my mind. This is the highest. Like I mentioned before, I believe this is the highest potential we had in a day in the past 2 months. And please feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, there's your momentum indicator and how powerful it can be if you have it on your hands. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.